Welcome back to Just Scale Models. Today we're taking a look at something from TAMIYA. This is the KETTENKRAFTRAD with infantry cart and Goliath demolition vehicle. So here, this is from the 148 scale military miniature vehicle series number 2. More information, other languages, a little bit of guideline there for cement and paint requirements, and a little bit more information there on the items as pictured on this side of the cover. Continue on the edge, different display of information, and again, MMV series number 2. On this side, we have barcode, some other items from other kits as well. And this is from 2004. On this side, a little bit more information as well as a side profile illustration. Then on the back cover, some paint suggestions and an actual photo of the completed set right there. Let's go ahead and get this open. Okay, I thought it was interesting. Some of the flaps are actually the same color as the edge there, so the color pattern did continue there. Our contents, okay, everything in bags still. And here we can see the decal set is a little bit obscured, but there's some pretty tiny decals there. And you can see here the associated text as well. You can see here some of the parts as well as the detail. Look at that, the Goliath treads right there. That's pretty interesting. Again, this is 1/48 scale. So if you were planning for something in that, this might be appropriate set of items. Let's take a look at the paperwork here. Some of the information in other languages on this sheet, and then our actual instructions. This is item number 32502. And these instructions, I'm noticing that this is a very long style of fold out as opposed to one that opens left to right. So here we have a whole bunch of information in multiple languages, some of the tools and other items you may need to help complete the item, marking and painting. And here we can see already some of the layout instructions, and then the actual kind of schematic style of instructions. Quite a bit of text actually, and then the parts numbering and assembly kind of sequence there, and then the final page there, which looks like a request form for more information as well. But taking a look here again, you see here are the trees, and then all the treads for the multiple vehicles involved. And this is 1/48 scale from the MMV in series number 2, KETTENKRAFTRAD with infantry cart and Goliath demolition vehicle. You can see there. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxings videos on the channel. We just do a selection of show and tell videos as well as some book review, media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.